These are lovely pyrite spheres. Pyrite is a crystal of money, abundance, removing your fears, giving you a stability in anything that you do. So it's called fool's gold for the same reason, because it does, give, comes with a lot of money energy. So you can use it by just holding the sphere. It's perfectly sized to hold in the fist. Just hold it every day and affirm multiple times. I am abundant. I am abundant. Money comes to me easily. Whatever affirmation you want to do related to money and abundance. That way you can use this pyrite sphere. Another way to use is you can keep it on your work desk. Place your business card and place the crystal on top of the business card with the intention that it is increasing money energy in your business. Affirm every day that I am receiving a lot of clients in my business. I'm receiving growth in my career. So do that for your business in that way. One more way you can use this pyrite sphere is to remove your fears and limiting belief systems that you have regarding money and abundance. What you do is you write down on a piece of paper, introspect a little, and write down on a piece of paper what all fears you have related to money. For example, some people have the fear that if money comes to me only if I work really hard, spend a lot of time, I have to compromise with my family, then only I will receive a lot of money. This is a limiting belief system. For example, one might have a belief system something like, I am an entrepreneur. I'm one man army. If I hire more team members, it might be a liability to me, and this might affect my business. That is a limiting belief system. So just introspect and see what limiting belief systems you have regarding money. Are there any fears relating to money? For example, if I get more money, I can get conned, whatever. So write down on a piece of paper whatever fears or limiting beliefs you have regarding money, and then read those fears. Hold the pyrite in your hand and ask the pyrite sphere, pyrite crystal, to release all those fears and limiting belief systems from your energy field, and ask it to absorb those fears and limiting belief systems inside the crystal. And then just meditate, hold and meditate with the crystal, visualizing all the fears and limiting belief systems getting absorbed in the crystal, and visualize yourself in the ideal condition relating to money, ideal business condition, ideal money condition, abundance condition. How will you feel? How would you spend your money? Visualize all that, assuming all that has already happened. You are in the ideal state of money and abundance. Do this exercise every day and see the magic this pyrite can do for you. So these are really beautiful pyrite spheres, very nicely polished and pretty heavy. Pyrite is a dense crystal. So just grab these pyrite spheres and improve your money energy.